Stop making these mistakes. Don't say لا أكلت. Instead say ما أكلت. Welcome to Arabic Learners Online.
I thought I didn't eat was لا أكلت. That is wrong, right?
Yes, that is a very common mistake. Let me show you the correct way. Past negation. To say, I did not eat, ما أكلت. ما أكلت means I did not eat. Now you say it with me. ما أكلت. Ma is the negation particle for past tense. أكلت means I ate. Do not use la for past. Use ma.
So, ما أكلت, not لا أكلت.
Exactly. Now let us practice with other pronouns. He didn't eat. ما أكل. She didn't eat. ما أكلت. They didn't eat. ما أكلوا. Now you say ما أكل, ما أكلت, ما أكلوا.
So, ma is always used for past tense, never la.
Exactly. That is rule number 1. Let me show you another common mistake. Mistake 2, using ma with present tense.
I also said ما أذهب. I thought that meant I do not go.
That is mistake number 2. You used ma with present tense. The correct version is present negation. To say I do not go, لا أذهب. لا أذهب means I do not go. Now you say it with me. لا أذهب. La is the negation particle for present tense. أذهب means I go. Do not use ma for present. Use la. He does not go. لا يذهب. She does not go. لا تذهب. They do not go. لا يذهبون. Now you say لا يذهب, لا تذهب, لا يذهبون.
So, la is for present, ma is for past. Got it.
Exactly. 2 different particles, 2 different tenses. Now let us move to the third mistake. Mistake 3. Using la or ma with future tense.
What about future? I want to say I will not travel. Do I use ma or la?
Neither. Future has its own particle. Future negation. To say I will not travel, لن أسافر. لن أسافر means I will not travel. Notice the verb ends with a fetha. That is important. Len changes the verb to subjunctive. He will not travel. Len yusafira. She will not travel. Len tusafira. They will not travel. Len yusafiru. Now you say len yusafira, len tusafira, len yusafiru.
Len for future, got it. So, ma for past, la for present, len for future.
Yes, 3 particles, 3 tenses. Now the fourth mistake is about commands.
What about commands, like do not go? Is that la tadhhabu?
Close, but the verb changes. For commands, the verb is in the jussive mood, mejzum. Command negation. To say do not go to a male, la tadhhab. La tadhhab means do not go. Now you say it with me. La tadhhab. La is the negation particle for commands, but notice the verb ends with a sukun, tadhhab, not tadhhabu. Do not go to a female, la tadhhabi. Do not go to plural. لا تذهبوا.
So the same la, but the verb form changes.
Exactly. Present tense uses la with the verb in the indicative, مرفوع. Commands use la with the verb in the jussive, مجزوم.
I also made a mistake with len. I said len usafiru with a dhamma at the end.
That is mistake number 5. Len requires the verb to end with a fetha, not a dhamma. Correct, len usafira. Wrong, len usafiru. Now you say the correct version. Len usafira. Len is one of the particles that mensub, subjunctive. It changes the verb ending from dhamma to fetha.
So len makes the verb change to fatha. La keeps the verb as it is. Ma keeps the verb as it is.
Exactly. And that brings us to mistake number 6.
What about laysa? I heard people say laysa, is that ma?
Good question. Laysa is a special verb that means is not or are not. It is not a negation particle. It is a verb itself, so you do not use ma with it. Correct? Huwa laysa taliban. He is not a student. Wrong. Ma huwa laysa taliban. This is incorrect. Now you say huwa laysa taliban. Laysa is used for nominal sentences, sentences without verbs. It negates the predicate.
So laysa is its own word. I do not add ma or la before it.
Exactly. That is rule number 6. Now let us look at mistake number 7.
What about I am not happy? Can I say la ana sa'idun?
No. For nominal sentences, use laysa, not la. Correct. Ana laysa sa'idan. I am not happy. Wrong. Ana la sa'idun. This is incorrect. Now you say ana laysa sa'idan. Laysa is used for is not or are not in sentences that do not have a verb.
So for verb sentences, I use ma or la or len. For noun sentences, I use laysa.
Yes, that is a very important distinction.
I also said la tektubu to mean do not write. Is that wrong?
Yes. For commands, the verb must be in the jazm form, majzum. Correct to a male, la tektub. Do not write. Wrong, la tektubu. This is present tense negation, not command. Now you say, la tektub. Notice the difference. Tektub with sukun versus tektubu with dhamma. To a female, la tektubi. To plural, la tektubu.
So command negation uses la, but with a different verb ending.
Yes, and that is a very common mistake. Now let us look at mistake number 9.
What about double negatives, like I did not see anyone?
In Arabic, you use one negative particle, not two, but there are special words for anyone and anything. Correct? ما رأيت أحدا. I did not see anyone. Wrong. ما رأيت ما أحدا. This is incorrect. Now you say ما رأيت أحدا. أحدا means anyone. You only need one negative particle, ma. So one negative particle is enough. Do not double it. Exactly. Mistake number 10 is about the verb to be.
What about I was not? Is that ma kuntu?
Yes, that is actually correct. Kana is a verb, so you use ma for past. Correct. ما كنت مريضا. I was not sick. Future, لن أكون مريضا. I will not be sick. Present, لا أكون مريضا. I am not sick. Now you say, ما كنت مريضا. So kana follows the same rules. Ma for past, la for present, len for future.
Exactly. Now let us summarize the system so far.
Summary of the negation system. Let me give you the complete system. 4 particles, 4 uses. Past tense, use ma. Example, ما ذهبت, I did not go. Present tense, use la. Example, لا أذهب, I do not go. Future tense, use len. Example, لن أذهب, I will not go. Command, use la with jazm verb. Example, لا تذهب, do not go. Now you say the system with me. ما, la, len, la. Now you, ma, la, len, la. Ma, la, len, la. Perfect. Now let us look at the next 5 mistakes.
So for commands, I use la, but I have to change the verb ending. What if I forget?
Then you're using present tense negation instead of command negation. The difference is very small but important. Present, لا تذهبوا, you do not go. Command, لا تذهب, do not go. Now you say both. لا تذهبوا, لا تذهب. Feel the difference? The sukoon at the end.
So the command has the sukoon, the present has the dhamma.
Yes, that is mistake number 11. Now mistake number 12.
Just to be sure, I never use la for past, right?
Never. Only ma for past. Correct. ما كتبت, I did not write. Wrong. لا كتبت. This is incorrect. Now you say the correct version. ما كتبت.
Ma katebtu. I did not write. Got it.
Mistake 13. Confusing la and laysa.
I hear people say laysa sometimes. When do I use that?
Use laysa for noun sentences, no verb. Use la for verb sentences. Verb sentence, لا أذهب, I do not go. Noun sentence, أنا ليس طالبا, I am not a student. Now you say both. لا أذهب, أنا ليس طالبا. So la with verbs, laysa with nouns. Yes, that is the rule. Now mistake number 14.
So with len, the verb always ends with fatha. Is that always true?
Yes, always. Correct, لن أكتب, I will not write. Wrong, لن أكتب. This is incorrect. Now you say the correct version, لن أكتب.
Len ektuba with fatha at the end.
Using la with past, use ma instead. Using ma with present, use la instead. Using la or ma with future, use len instead. Mixing up command negation verb forms. Forgetting verb change with len, need fatha. Using ma with laysa. Using la instead of laysa for noun sentences. Using wrong verb form for commands. Double negatives. Forgetting rules for kana. Forgetting verb ending change for commands. La with past, confirmed wrong. Confusing la and laysa. Forgetting subjunctive with len. Using ma for present habits. That is a lot, but I finally understand. The system is ma for past, la for present, lan for future, and la with jassive for commands.
Exactly. And now you will never make these mistakes again. Let us practice with 10 sentences. I will give you the English, you say it in Arabic, then I will correct if needed. Sentence 1. I did not eat. ما أكلت. Sentence 2. I do not eat meat. لا آكل اللحم. Sentence 3. I will not go. لن أذهب. Sentence 4. Do not go to a male. لا تذهب. Sentence 5. He is not a teacher. هو ليس معلما. Sentence 6. I was not sick. ما كنت مريضا. Sentence 7. I will not write. لن أكتب. Sentence 8. I did not see anyone. ما رأيت أحدا. Sentence 9. Do not write to a female. لا تكتبي. Sentence 10. I do not drink coffee. لا أشرب القهوة. I got most of them right. This system actually works. It does. Now you have the tools. Let me give you one final summary. Repeat after me. Past, ما. Present, لا. Future, لن. Command, لا with jazm. Now you say it. ما, لا, لن, لا. I will never forget this. Now your turn. Write in the comments which mistake you have made before. Be honest, I have made them too. And practice these sentences. The more you practice, the fewer mistakes you make. Thank you. I went from embarrassed to confident. I will never mix up ma and la again. That's the power of understanding the system. Now you have 15 mistakes fixed. 4 particles, 4 tenses, and a lifetime of correct Arabic. Here's your challenge. Write one sentence using negation in the comments. Use ma for past, la for present, or len for future. I will read and correct every single one. Subscribe to Arabic Learners Online. Hit the bell, forming questions in Arabic. Thank you for learning with us. And remember, mistakes are how we grow, but fixing them, that's how we master. Assalamu alaikum.